Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to do spelling and grammar check on Google Docs. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if this is your first time using Google Docs, or if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, let's get started. As you can see currently on my Google Docs file, I have here a sample paragraph with some underlines on specific words or phrases, meaning that there are grammatical errors on it. However, if we have tons of paragraph, we cannot check this one by one. Now, is there a shortcut on how we can do spelling and grammar check? Actually, there is. And what is even better than this is that it will tell you a suggestion on how you can change that grammatical error or spelling error to make it correct. Now, please stick to the video as I will show you the detailed tutorial on how to do it. Now, if we navigate to the upper section of our screen, as you can see, we have tons of options that we can choose from. We got the file, edit, and different tabs. Here we have our ribbon. But for the sake of this tutorial and how we can do this, we want to focus on this specific tab right here, which is the Tools tab. Just click once. Sorry about this. Click on the Tools tab once, and as you can see, we have tons of different options that we can choose from. From here, we would like to focus on the first option, which is the Spelling and Grammar tab. As we hover our mouse to this specific tab, it will drop down 4 different options. Now, you can choose to show only the spelling suggestions or grammar suggestions, but for most case scenario, I would like you to focus on the first option. This first option, which is spelling and grammar check, allows you to check both of those things throughout the whole document and even give you suggestions on how you can fix it. Just click on it once, and as you can see, on the upper right corner of our screen, we have a spelling and grammar checker tab. Now, as you can see right here, we even have the suggestion on how we can make it correct. Now, in order to navigate through the different grammatical errors or spelling errors in our document, all we have to do is to press either this right arrow for the next suggestion or the left arrow for the previous suggestion. Click those once, and as you can see, we can navigate throughout the different errors on our Google Docs file. Now, we can choose to ignore the grammatical error or accept it. Let's say, for example, this favorite thing. As you can see, it's currently incorrect as it is missing a letter E on the last letter. Now, it's suggested to change this word into this word, which is the word favorite. If we press accept, as you can see, it automatically changes the spelling error to the appropriate one. Here, we have a sample of a grammatical error, and this is the suggestion on how we can make it right. Let's press accept once. As you can see, it automatically changes the word to make it appropriate and correct. As simple as that, we can navigate throughout the whole grammatical errors on our whole document, which will make our life easier and our work efficient. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, as well as drop a like. If you like videos like this, we have created a dedicated playlist compiling the different Google Docs tutorial. Please check it out on our YouTube channel. From here, I will see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.